Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, you're gonna see how to enable Snapchat Memories backup feature on Android. So to do that, you have to go to your Snapchat, of course, and once in there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account, and then head over to the profile and go to settings on the top right, go to memories. You'll find it in the privacy control section, just under the generative AI settings. So in the memory section, you will find the auto backup section. So you have to turn it on. It will show you that memories may back up over mobile data when Wi-Fi is unavailable. So yeah, you have to turn it on and it will be turned on or enabled. So yeah, this is how you can enable your Snapchat Memories backup feature on Android. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we hope to see you in our next tutorial.